Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech for Boost. In today's video, we're taking a look at Windows 11 Minimal Gamer Edition, a custom Windows 11 build available on Temus. This build is designed for users who want a cleaner and more lightweight Windows experience while keeping the operating system simple and optimized. Whether you're a gamer or someone looking to reduce unnecessary Windows components, this build aims to provide a streamlined environment. In this video, we'll explore the desktop, check the system's RAM usage, CPU usage, installed storage size, and take a look at the features included in this custom Windows build. As always on Tech for Boost, this is an honest review based on real testing, no fake benchmarks, no unrealistic performance claims, and no misleading clickbait. Now, let's take a closer look at Windows 11 Minimal Gamer Edition. If you'd like to download Windows 11 Minimal Gamer Edition, the process is simple. First, open the Temus link available in the pinned comment or in the video description. Scroll down until you reach the direct download section. You'll find two download options, WIM versions versus either version based on your preference. After clicking your preferred download link, complete the I'm not a robot verification. After clicking your preferred download link, complete the I'm not a robot verification. Once the verification is finished, click the download button to start downloading the file, if you prefer. You can also use the direct WIM or SD download links provided in the video description. Enjoy! And thanks for watching.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know you are flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glance. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shoot. Yeah, shoot. Yeah, shoot.